Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to find the serial number of your AirTag. This is really useful if you're having trouble with your AirTag and you need to report it to Apple for a replacement. There are two ways you can get this serial number. The first way is through the Find My app. First, open up the Find My app on your iPhone. Now tap on the Items tab at the bottom. Depending on how many AirTags you have connected to your iCloud account, tap on the AirTag which you want to find the serial number on. Now, once you come to this page, tap on the battery symbol. This should show you the serial number and the firmware version. Now, the second way of finding the serial number is by physically looking at the device. You can do this by turning the AirTag upside down. Then with your index and your thumb finger, press down on the shiny part and turn it counterclockwise. This will now open up the AirTag cover, remove the battery, and if you look closely, you'll see the serial number on the white area of the AirTag. Now reverse the steps and close the AirTag. And that is how to find the serial number of your AirTag. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. I create similar tutorials on a daily basis, so please consider subscribing to see more. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.